I prepare a potion that restores strength and stamina to a man. First, I'll peel one beet. I will cut the beets into smaller pieces. I need a blender. I put the beets in the blender. I add 50 grams of walnuts. 50 grams of pumpkin seeds. I will peel 20 grams of ginger. I add clean ginger. I need the juice of 1 lemon. I will pour 200 milliliters of water. I will blend everything. I add a teaspoon of honey. The beverage prepared in this way is drunk 1 glass each in the morning and in the evening. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, friends.